Xinjiang Gaochang ruins, known as the Pearl of the Silk Road, located in the Turpan Basin. These ancient ruins were founded in the 1st century BC. It was once one of the most prosperous capitals in the ancient western regions, and a transportation hub on the northern route of the Silk Road, witnessing the millennium-long integration of Eastern and Western cultures and trade. Together with Jiaohe ruins, is called the Two Jewels of Turpan. Gaochang ruins are of grand scale, with the existing site covering an area of about 2 million square meters. It's divided into 3 parts: the inner city, the outer city, and the imperial city. The remaining city walls are still up to 11 meters high, allowing people to faintly see the former scene of tall city walls and a prosperous market. The remains of pagodas, palaces, and workshops are scattered in the city. Among them, the best preserved Kehan Fort was once the core area where the king handled state affairs. In the remains of Buddhist temples, traces of murals can still be seen, telling the once prosperous religious scene here. Today, the yellow earthen walls under the setting sun contrast with the Gobi, showing the profoundness of history. Next, please walk around the ancient ruins and feel this Silk Road memory spanning thousands of years.